Realme 14 series is finally here. If you've been following our channel, then you already know that the Realme 14 Pro series came out last year. I have it with me. This is a really solid phone, very good performance. And of course, you have this cold sensitive color changing rear panel. But if you're on a budget, then this might be the one for you. Now, historically, the Realme numbered series, the 5G variant at least, go for around 17,000 pesos. So this is the exclusive gift set that you're gonna get when you grab this phone when it goes on sale. That's gonna be really soon and we'll keep you posted. So if you haven't done so yet, subscribe to our YouTube channel at TechKuya. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and check out what's in store. There you go. Okay. So the launch will be happening on April 29 at 4 p.m. This year's launch is beyond. And make sure to tune in to the live stream launch. Over here, we have the Realme 14 5G unit, Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 5G chipset, 6,000 milliamp hours of battery with 45 watts fast charging, 120Hz AMOLED esports display, interesting, 50 megapixel AI camera with OIS. It's Real Meow, and it's a keychain, so you can take Real Meow with you anywhere you go. Once again, our favorite cat, but this time it's a stand. So here it is side by side. The stand is slightly bigger than the keychain. $50mm dynamic drivers. 30-hour battery life, wow. And check this out, wired and wireless support. Bluetooth 5.3, supports wired auxiliary connection. Hopefully this is USB Type-C as opposed to 3.5mm because most modern phones don't have the 3.5mm audio jack anymore. 1200 milliamp hour battery, okay. 3-hour charge time. So over here, you have a USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable, which you can use for charging. Now over here is a USB Type-C to 3.5mm audio. Okay, power. Oh, nice. RGB on the left and right ear cups. And here's your microphone. I like how you can push this in so it doesn't hang in case you don't need it. Okay, so all the controls are loaded on the left ear cup. That makes it easy for you to know if you have it on the right or if you're wearing it on the right orientation. Power button, physical volume control, and this is a physical mute button. Okay, very handy. And finally, the line in for your charging and for your audio source. The microphone is active. And if I mute it, the light goes off. Not bad for a freebie. Look at that printout, right and left channel. I guess there's no way to control the RGB light. It just cycles among different colors. Okay, you can turn the lights off by holding the mute button. And you can turn it back on. Now we move on to the Realme 14 5G. Check out the color. It's mecha silver. It's not just silver. This reminds us that this is a phone that is primarily targeted at mobile gamers. Let's open it and see what's inside. So here's that free jelly case, 45-watt charger, uses SuperVOOC technology. Here's your cable. Check that out. So here's the Mecha Silver colorway and its full glory. I like the splash of orange. Over to the top right corner, we're rocking a rectangular camera island, but check that out. What's that? You have the flash over here. What's this over here? I love the dash of color on the power button. Here's the bottom of the phone. Alright, I got good news and bad news. Good news, dual SIM is supported. Bad news, no expansion card slot, which means you're gonna have to manage your storage a little bit better. Although it does come with 256 gigabytes of internal storage, which is very generous. Hello. Oh, meet Gemini, your personal AI assistant. Oh, okay, so that's why the power button has a different color, because you can actually press and hold it in order to talk to Gemini. And finally, we're done. Check out the bezels. We have a slightly thicker chin compared to the top. The phone runs on realme UI version 6.0 with Android 15 out of the box. We are now in YouTube, and check out the playback specifications. We can go all the way to 2160p 60 fps with HDR mode turned on. Let's pump the volume. Check it out. Ultra volume mode on, up to 300% loudness. Let's just set it at 100%. This phone has dual stereo loudspeakers. The top firing speaker is slightly softer compared to the bottom firing ones, but overall, I like the quality of the loudspeakers.
I'm feeling it between you two. Do I sense a form of prisoner captor romance vibe happening here?
Here's the playback specification in Netflix. Widevine L1 is supported, which means we will be able to play DRM protected content at full HD resolution. No HDR capabilities though. So here's that 50 megapixel main camera with OIS. Okay, let's set the timer to 3 seconds. Okay, so that's what it is. It's a breathing light timer. This is not your flash. This is your flash. Under settings, there's pulse light, and this lets you control the circular light right beside the cameras. And you have different modes. It turns on during incoming calls, notifications, or if you're playing music. We can also try to keep it on, always on. There you go. It's a white light. So there's just one color, but there are different animation. You have breathing. This now is twinkle. You can also change the speed. Make it slower or faster. Okay, we have GT mode on the Realme 14 5G, something that we saw on the Realme 14 Pro Plus 5G, and we're happy to see this because this will let you take the full potential of your phone if you're going to be playing games. And that is what the Realme 14 5G is about. It's about mobile games. We're going to dig deeper into that in a separate video, so if you're interested, subscribe to us. And for now, let's move on. Since Realme 14 is primarily targeted at gamers, I just wanted to quickly show you one of the cool features that come with Realme UI. You can access that by going to Featured, then tap on Games, and this enables Game Toolkit. Make sure that the game that you want to play is activated or enabled. So right now we have Mobile Legends installed, but if the game that you want is not in the list, just go to Settings, tap on Manage My Games, and then just toggle the game where you want the in-game menu to appear. So let's say I want to start playing Mobile Legends. So after you launch the game, you will be able to swipe left and you can set the performance mode. Right now I'm setting it to GT mode, which is the best performance. And I like to enable the system monitor. Where's that system status? Here. This gives you a real-time monitor for your GPU, CPU, and frame rate, which is essential for you to see if you're getting the most out of your phone. Aside from this, there are plenty of other gaming tools and features that will be unlocked once you enable Game Toolkit. You also get a voice changer, which is something that a lot of the people have been commenting on in our gaming videos, and we'll be doing a separate gaming video for the Realme 14 5G, so stay tuned and subscribe to us so you will see it as soon as that video goes up. So that's it for the Realme 14 5G. I hope you liked this video. Aesthetically, the Realme 14 5G is definitely a good looking phone. Very nice audio, very nice display as well. We will spend the next few days testing out this phone. So if you have any questions about the Realme 14 5G, just drop them in the comments as we do a review so that we can try whatever it is that you want us to test. In the meantime, stay tuned for the gaming review, which is something that you should look forward to in the Realme 14 5G, because it is supposed to be a phone that's designed for gamers, and that will be posted on our YouTube channel at the Kuya, and we'll see you guys there. Paalam.